YouTube, whoever's watching this, here we have the Nike HyperAdapt 1.0. Hey, what up guys? Pam's Moneybags here. I want to say back with another unboxing, but the truth is this isn't just another unboxing. Matter of fact, this unboxing isn't even, like, it's not worthy of this white table right here. This unboxing is worthy of a red carpet. You know, like an Oscar, yeah, like an Oscar, like a Grammy, red carpet worthy. So let's go ahead and, so I couldn't actually find a red piece of cloth, so right now I'm using like 4 different red shirts, and they're all like different tones of red. How I see this unboxing is, it has to be as fancy as a Grammy. So we gotta change our outfit real quick. Okay, this works better. But now, the moment I've been waiting for ever since I received this package. Guys, today we have the HyperAdapt 1.0. You know, I always dreamt of this moment. Actually, when I dropped like my first 3 videos, I set myself a goal. And I said, one day I'm gonna have the HyperAdapt or the Air Mag. One day I'm gonna have those shoes in this table or for this channel. And Nike, I don't know if it's destiny. I think it's God, bro. I'm not even joking. Nike simply released all the HyperAdapt colorways in the Nike store, in the online Nike store. Not even sneakers, they just dropped them one day. There you go, Nike HyperAdapt 1.0. Oh, this is wild, man. Guys, I'm telling you, this doesn't feel real. And it doesn't feel real mainly because for those of you who don't know, these retail for $720. I'm gonna do a little demo for you guys before the on-feed look today for how the self-lacing thing works. I have no idea how it does, and apparently these come with like a charger, so you charge these like a phone. I might not show you how to charge them, but I'm definitely gonna show you, you know, the self-lacing demo, or how to do what button to press. I don't even know if these come with a button or it just knows. It's supposed to just know, isn't it? I have no idea. Honestly, I'm too excited about this. It's just the fact that we live in a day that we can hold a shoe that is self-lacing. What? You know what I'm saying? Like, that's wild. Okay, so this is where you pull the actual shoes out, and you have this little tab over here that you're gonna have to open. And then let's go ahead and see. Slide them outside. Come on, come on. Well, it won't come out. Oh wait, hello. There's another tab right there. I just want to see them. All right, ready? Here we go. I have no idea. I have no idea what to expect. I don't even know if they're covered or something. There's paper I gotta flip. Let's go ahead and reveal. Oh, there is paper. Okay, never mind. Not there yet. Come on, box. This is uncomfortable. So we do have some paper. You know, they kept the tradition of putting paper on top of the shoes. You do have this little box over here. Ooh, little Nike swoosh in the front. Nothing really throughout the box. Let's go ahead and open and see what comes in here. I'm assuming it's the charger that I was talking to you guys about. Please visit Nike.com HyperAdapt for more information, including the manual. You do have safety information over here, and this is indeed the charger. I feel like I'm doing a, you know, like unbox therapy and all the other technology YouTubers. That's how I'm feeling right now. You do get a wall adapter, USB wall adapter for the USB cable, I'm assuming, so you charge this by USB. Okay, this is weird. These are like pods. All right, let me go ahead and open these. Whoa, don't fall, don't fall, don't fall. These are about to fall. I think I'm shaking from excitement, guys. This is wild. Okay, there you go. So it just takes a little while, and then it reveals these 2 bases. So this is the charging station for the shoes. Cable splits in 2, which means that's 1 for each shoe. I've been teasing you with the shoe. I've been teasing myself with the shoe, but I want to show you guys, because over here in the back side of the box, it does have the Aerol, or the electro-adaptive reactive lacing. The shoe itself has these 4, or the Aerol, you know, written on the tongue, I think it is. I want to make sure the whole box is there. I want to make sure this is the right shot. I think that's it. Ladies and gentlemen, moneybaggers, world, YouTube, whoever's watching this, here we have the Nike HyperAdapt 1.0. Oh my goodness. This is unbelievable, guys. I actually have this shoe in my hand. Okay, so this is what I was talking about. So it does have the Earl initials on the tongue, but it's only on the left one. So the right one only has swoosh. But let's go ahead and take both of these out. So I'm gonna have to get rid of the red carpet just because of this colorway. Like, I feel like it's kind of lost and you guys are not gonna be able to appreciate the quality and get a really good perspective on the shoe with this background. So I'm gonna go ahead and go back to normal. I mean, all red carpets, you know, end eventually, right? So, all right, so here we are once again. Let's go back to the tongue right away because that's like the first detail I make you guys notice. So Nike swoosh over here on the right tongue, but then on the left one you have the Earl initials for the self-lacing system that Nike's using on this specific sneaker. Upper looks like it's knitted, no fly knit on these, which I thought for the price tag you might as well put fly knit on these. That's what I figured, but I am kind of disappointed that it's just like a meshy knitted upper, but oh well. And then on this specific colorway you do have a combination of like red, yellow, orange, and black throughout the upper, like a digi camo, which is also one of the reasons why I got this specific pair, because not a lot of people were buying this one. And then of course these have no type of laces whatsoever. These got this stretchy band covering the cable that works as the laces, or works as the adjusting factor for your shoes. So Nike swoosh over here on the outside as well as on the inside on this specific colorway. Both of those are black swooshes. On the insole you have once again the Earl initials and a Nike swoosh in this specific colorway, a yellowish, orange-ish insole, and that's for both the shoes. Going to the outsole, you know, just a wavy pattern throughout the outsole, and then you do have the empty square, which I am not 100% sure what it means. And this is the part, or this box over here is the one that lights up whenever you turn them on. You have a regular heel loop, no details on it. And you have this part over here which doesn't have anything as of right now, but when you turn them on, or when you're putting them on, whatever, I think it's 4 or 3 lights that light up over here. So I am gonna show you guys that on a close-up. And I just noticed it does have a Nike swoosh over there by the toes. I think I'm too excited about the shoe to the point where I forgot the most important detail. So over here on the outside of the shoe, you do have the arrows pointing up and the arrows pointing down, which I suppose is where the button is found. So you can, so once you put the shoe on, you know, you can adjust it, or whenever you want to take it off, you just you set it free. So yeah, those arrows are over here on the outside of the shoe, and that's for both of them. It's like a fast forward arrow. And I actually just noticed this as well. They have this, once again, the Earl initials for the self-lacing system, but you have like a code over here that you can scan. I don't know if that is that how they identify this specific pair. You know, I kind of flew through the details mainly because, you know, the most exciting part about these is how the self-lacing system works. So let's go ahead and see that, and then we'll probably go to the on-field look after that. Oh, yo. Oh my goodness. Hold on. Oh. Try the other one. Okay, so that was you know, first time putting them on. They feel weird. Let me show you guys. Look at that. They look kind of chunky, like they look funny on feet. I don't know. But right now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to charge these. And after all that, let's go ahead and see how these look on feet. But anyways, guys, that was it for today's video. I really hope you liked it. A lot of stuff going on with the unboxing, but I hope you liked it. And if you did, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to keep on watching more sneaker unboxings. But once again, that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. You guys are amazing. Best money bags. Oh.